Understanding Waves of Change, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. In particular, we'll explore the phrase, waves of change. This idiom is not only picturesque but also rich in meaning. So, let's set sail and decode this expression together. Waves of change is an idiom that beautifully combines two powerful elements: waves and change. In this context, waves symbolize a forceful and unstoppable movement, much like the ocean's waves that continually reshape the shoreline. Change, on the other hand, refers to the process of becoming different. Therefore, the phrase, waves of change, represents significant, often unstoppable changes that have a profound impact. Just like waves altering a beach over time. The idiom, waves of change, likely draws inspiration from the natural world, where waves are a constant and dynamic force. In English, this phrase is often used to describe major shifts in society, technology, politics, or personal life. It's particularly effective for emphasizing the strength and inevitability of these changes. For example, the waves of change brought about by the digital revolution have transformed how we communicate. To understand it better, let's see a few examples. 1. The company had to adapt quickly to the waves of change in the market. 2. After the election, the country rode the waves of change towards a more progressive future. 3. Personal growth often comes from navigating the waves of change in our lives. Imagine a beach where waves constantly crash and reshape the shoreline. This is a great metaphor for understanding this idiom. Changes, like waves, can be gradual or sudden, but they're always powerful and transformative. And that's a wrap on our journey through the waves of change. I hope this video has illuminated this beautiful idiom for you. Remember, language is like an ocean, vast and full of wonders to explore. Keep learning and riding the waves of English language discovery. See you in the next video.